Jules with DIY with Jules, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special video for you. I am doing a collab with my son Franky from Bay Cutz. I will be leaving the link down below for his channel. If you guys feel like showing my son some love, please do so and tell him his mama sent you. So we are going to be doing a walkthrough of a place called Amazing Bins. This is a special shop with me. We're showing Amazing Bins some love and decided to go and do some awesome shopping. Check it out. Bye.
What's up, you guys? Franky here with Bay Cutz. Hey, I'm in front of Amazing Bins right now, about to show you over 6,500 square feet of a treasure trove full of goodies that are just amazing.
Hey Frank, say hello.
What's
Hi.
up, YouTube?
We are sitting in front of Amazing Bins and we're about to do a walkthrough of the warehouse. So let me tell you how it works. We have 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. They're open 10 to 6, and on Saturdays, everything is on sale for $7. Yes, $7! It is amazing. On Saturday, $7, Sunday, $5, and on Monday, $3, if there's anything left. So, we are going to go in here and we're going to do a quick walkthrough and let you guys know what goodies they have.
We're in here, Amazing Bins. We're excited to go through everything.
And we'll try to show you as much as possible. But remember, Amazing Bins in Charleston, South Carolina. You have to come down and give it a visit and shop, shop, shop. Now, immediately as you walk in, you see all of these bins. They're full of all kinds of merchandise. Because you guys know that I am about to redo my bathroom, I am going to buy some things to redecorate my bathroom. But we're going to take you through and we're going to show you a lot of the different merchandise that they have in the store. Light bulbs. Oh my goodness. Shelving units for underneath the sink, the ones that you can slide in and out. Curling irons. We don't know what it is, but we like it. We have things for children. We have home decor. We have purses and bags. Oh my God, look at all this stuff that they have in here. These are for letters. For all you crafters, they have a lot of stuff. They even have candy. Have mercy.
Chocolate.
Blow dryers, and they have you women trying to buy your husband a gift. Here you go. Natural care sensitive wipes. Look at that.
$7.
$7, guys. And if there's any left over, then you'll get it for $5 or $3, depending. You don't get down here early. Early bird gets the worm. These are 52 by 72 inch grayish white curtains. These are absolutely beautiful. Dispensers for your bathroom. Wow. You even have, it's a starter for your car. We actually have two. Oh my God, look, did I say that right? A lot more bigger. A lot bigger.
We have bigger.
More.
We have bigger.
Through and see what we can find. And we'll go over that way.
Yeah. So
Tell me that you're gonna find a toaster for $7 anywhere. Toaster that does eggs and muffins. What? It's an egg and muffin toaster. We have shelving units for your bathroom.
If you find something that is heavy or bulky, that we will hold that for you for up to 2 hours while you're shopping. We get that that toaster isn't really going to fit in that bag very well. So if you would take that to the cashier station, we will label it and put a time on that for you. And then if you don't reclaim it within those 2 hours, we will put it back on the floor. But if you're still shopping after 2 hours, just come back and tell the cashier, I need a little bit of more time. We may or may not, depending on how crowded it is, ask you to go ahead and pay for your items and take those to the car. We will hold those items for you.
So
Very cool.
look at this. Wireless security system.
That's wild.
This is amazing. You see I'm sweating already? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm really excited. And it's name brand. You can actually, on some of the items, you can see if they have a price. I saw something for $70. Just check that out. $7. I can't get over this. I didn't know what I was expecting when I walked through the door, but oh my god. Comforter sets. Look at this beautiful 3-piece bed set. It's a queen set. And it has the 2 shams plus the comforter. $7. Alright, so you have to get some items in. Hey, mama. This is why they tell you, take the big bulky stuff and take it into the front. I already have a lot.
What's also great about Amazing Bins is everything doesn't always have to be a mystery. If you find a box and you're not sure what's in it, bring it over to the Discovery Zone. An associate will open it up and let you see the content.
Make sure that they open it themselves. You never know if there's a plug or anything in here that they need to keep together. This way they know that all the items are together if you don't want it and you put it back. Okay?
These are mason jars.
What is it? The chalk pen and also the stickers to go on the mason jars. Hello, fine, cha-ching. I also hear that you donate to different charities and you go out in the streets and you give to people in the streets.
Yeah, so we do. So when Mike proposed this idea to me, and I thought, well, how are you ever going to sell everything that's in the store? And I just have a fundamental problem throwing things in a dumpster. Just because this doesn't give me value today, it doesn't mean that it wouldn't give you value or the lady over there or whatever. So we made an agreement when we started this that we would not be a part of the problem. We would not be a retailer that throws things away, that we will find somebody in need somewhere to donate it to. Clothing will go to, you know, some of our various charities that need clothing, and then we have baby items, and that would go to a local charity here, like the Florence Critton House, for example.
Awesome.
Books go to the library. We do different things with them. It helps us, you know, make room for new stock, but it also helps people that are truly in need.
Well, that's great, and we are happy that you're here. And there you have it. Now you know that you're not only helping yourself to amazing bargains, but you're helping your community.
We are VR. What? Home audio, y'all. Yo, my son's gonna love this. Y'all know I'm putting this in the barber shop. We've been in here for a while. They've got a lot of cool stuff, but we got to make our way towards the exit.
Okay guys, so this is all for today. We are done with our shopping. I am going to be taking a couple of my things home so that I can do my DIY. Stay tuned for my bathroom makeover. And again, if you have not been to Amazing Bins, please come by, show them love, and trust me, what you buy, you will love. Bye! Okay guys, so there you have it. I will be seeing you in my next video. For those of you who have never been to my channel, welcome. I am so happy to have you. Please consider becoming a member of my family. Hit that subscription button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you in my bathroom review. Bye.